Have you ever felt trapped by your own thoughts? Like the mind and body are in an endless tug of war, leaving your soul yearning for peace. Today, I'll teach you a meditation technique that frees you from this cycle, a practice designed to detach the body, mind, and soul and lead you to profound serenity. Stay with me. Meditation is more than just sitting still. It's a pathway to inner freedom. In this video, you'll discover the best times, places, and practices for meditation. By the end, you'll be equipped to embark on your journey towards spiritual detachment and heightened consciousness. 1. When to meditate. The best time to meditate is during the early morning hours, between 3 to 6 a.m. This sacred window, known as the Brahma Muhurta in yogic science, is when the mind is naturally calm and the world is quiet. Set your alarm. It's worth it. 2. What to wear. Choose white, light yellow, or even soft purple clothing. These colors symbolize purity and spiritual connection. Your attire should be loose-fitting. Comfort is key to avoiding distractions. 3. Creating your meditation space. Avoid rooms with electromagnetic gadgets like TVs and smartphones. A serene, gadget-free space ensures uninterrupted focus. Make this room your personal sanctuary, simple, quiet, and just for you. 4. Facing the right direction. Direction matters. Sit facing east or northeast. These orientations align with the Earth's magnetic field and enhance energy flow during meditation. 5. Best postures. The Padmasana, or lotus pose, is ideal. If it's too challenging, try the Sukhasana, a simple cross-legged position. Or try Shavasana, the corpse pose, for ultimate relaxation. 6. The meditation practice. Focus on the sound of Ooohmm. Don't just hear it. Let your consciousness feel it resonate. Gently direct your attention to the sixth energy center, the third eye, located between your eyebrows. But remember, don't strain your eyes or apply physical force. 7. Handling distractions. Distractions are normal. Your mind will try to pull you away with endless thoughts. Don't fight it. Gently bring your focus back to the sound of Ooohmm. Every time you do, you're training your soul to rise above the mind's chatter. 8. Building consistency. Consistency is your ally. Start with 45 minutes daily. Even if you focus for just a minute, celebrate it. Over time, these moments will grow, and so will your control over your mind. Meditation isn't about perfection, it's about showing up. With every session, you step closer to a liberated and peaceful self. If you found value in this guide, please like this video, share it with someone seeking peace, and subscribe for more transformational content. Together, let's elevate our consciousness.